Good day everyone, and welcome to this amazing video. So in this video we'll be looking at this indices question that says if a raised to power x equals 1/2, find x. Now here we have 8 and we have 1/2. Those are the things that are there. So we're going to express the two of them as a power of 2. Now when I mean two of them as a power of 2, this is what I mean. That is, 8 here can be written as 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Then 1/2 can be written as 2 raised to power minus 1, that is negative index. Now, if we look at this closely, we are going to replace this with this in this equation here. I'm going to replace this with this. So what I'm trying to say is that we're going to write it as 2 raised to power 3 everything raised to power x equals to, instead of 1/2, 2 raised to power minus 1. Now these two can be multiplied, so I'll give us 2 raised to power 3 times x, 3x equals 2 raised to power minus 1. Now what do we have here? We have 2 here and we have 2 here. Now that means that the bases are equal. Now since the bases are equal, we are going to equate powers. Yes, whenever the bases are equal, the powers will automatically be the same. So in this sense, I'm going to write this as 3x equals to minus 1. We divide both sides by 3. I'll get our x as minus 1/3. So therefore, our x equals minus 1/3. See, I'm begging you to